Oh my gosh, I'm so exhausted. What took my teacher so long? I had a lot of things to do pa naman. My time is ginto.
Morning, ma'am. I called you, ma'am, because I'm concerned of your son's performance, and here are some of the results and complaints of other teachers about your son. Ma'am? Ma'am?
Oh my gosh, I didn't expect that these things will happen. I have a lot of things in my mind. My bills, I thought that paying his tuition is enough, but it's not. He needs my attention. I'm sorry, sir. I'm just a single mom and I'm so busy with my work.
Don't worry, ma'am. I will do my best to help your son. But I need your cooperation because hindi ko kaya itong mag-isa.
Sa isang sulat mo ay nabihag ako para baliwan.
Thank you so much talaga, sir. I can't thank you enough for all your tulongs and all the tulongs that you have given to me and my son.
You're always welcome, ma'am.
By the way, sir, you already know that I'm single now and I'm ready to mingle. Let's have dinner mamaya. Hi, kids. First thing, thank you lang sa pag-help mo sa akin.
Sorry, ma'am. I can't.
But why not? I'm single and you're single too. We're very compatible.
It's because I'm so beautiful to mingle you. Hello! Ang ganda kaya. Hello!